Hello again and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're going to be grooming the dog, and as you can see she's aware that we're going to be grooming her, so she's patiently waiting for me to set up and bring all of her stuff out. So stay tuned if you want to see that, and thanks for watching.
So I'm gonna be grooming this stinker. I'm gonna groom this stinker. You get the remote and fix it. I'm not professional by any means. I just I did a lot of research, and it's just something that I just kept working on. All right. Let me double check that we're in frame here. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Come here, stinker. Come here. Come. Come closer. That's the cutters. The groomer. What are they called? What are these called? They're clippers. Oh. Come. Now lay down. You're okay. Let me see those paws. Can you lay down? No. Get off. Lay down. Let me get that paw. You're okay. Can you lay down? Can I get that paw? Thanks. Good girl. All right. We're gonna start off by trimming off these paws. Step one. I'll try to get between the paw pads a little bit, just because I want as much of this extra long fur to come off. It just keeps her paws nice and clean. Keeps her from bringing too much dirt into this house, which when it rains it's really nice because she keeps a lot of her mud stays outside. Come on. Come here, my sweet bubs. Lay down. You're okay. Can I get your let me get those. It's okay. It's okay. No. I'm gonna trim these nails up with this electric trimmer. My favorite way to do it. Good girl. Stay. Alrighty, well, let's move on. This is an eye rinse. And this one is an ear cleaner. Yes, let's clean those ears and those eyes, and then we can get the bath going. I'm gonna use this one first if I can open it. Why is it not working? It might be new. I probably haven't opened it yet. Yeah. Except this piece is supposed to stay in here. She does not like this part, so we'll see how this goes. She'll enjoy the bath portion. Okay. I know you don't like this, but bear with me here, okay? Come here. Come here. I know. No. Come here. We're okay. Let me see. What'd you get? Got some yogurt? Okay, go sit at the table and eat it.
That's not for a snack. That's why they get hot.
Okay, go sit at the table and eat it then. Stay. Come. Ava, come here. Come here. Come here. Let me see those ears. Nope. Stay here. Good girl. This is the part she hates. But we gotta get those ears cleaned. Let me see this ear. Alright, last step is to do some eye rinse. I just like to do this for okay, we got one eye. Come on, one more. Stop closing it. One more. There we go. Alright, we got the eyes rinsed. We got the ears. Now, go. You can go that way. We're going to give you a bath now. Alright, we got the eyes rinsed. We got the ears cleaned. We got the paw pads shaved. We trimmed up the nails. So, all that's left is to give you a bath. Yeah? Ready? Let's prep to give you a bath. Good girl. Yes, you're a good girl. You are a good girl. Yeah, you are. Alright, let's get you bathed. So, we'll put these away. We'll put these in here too. This is all done for now. I don't know whether I should brush you out before I give you a bath. I feel like maybe I should, just in case you got some tangles. I think I'll go ahead and give you a quick brush before you get in the bath. But done with this stuff, I'm just gonna put it back inside, and then we're gonna go and get the hose attachment to give her a bath. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna shampoo her. I'm gonna shampoo her and condition her today because she is shedding pretty good right now. And I just want to make sure that it all comes off nicely and that she's nice and hydrated, because if not, then she gets kind of itchy. Go outside. Come on, outside. Ava, outside. Come on. We're almost done. Let's go. Come on, outside. I'll throw all this away. Yeah, her ears were kind of dirty. Not too bad, but kind of dirty. So maybe they were a little bit itchy. I don't know. I'll have to keep watching on her ears to see if she's going to keep scratching at them. Come on. Let's go, Ava. Out. Go outside. Good girl. All right. Let me go ahead. I'm going to go get the hose attachment that I used to wash her. And then we'll get started washing her. This is the hose attachment that I use to get her clean. This you use to put soap in here, and you can fluctuate how much soap comes out, and then you can change how you want it to go. It was recommended by a groomer that I like to watch. So this is what I use. I really enjoy using it. Really helps limit my back pain, and I don't know, it's just really convenient. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her washed off and get that going. Okay, I'm gonna turn off. I'm gonna get some. Alright, I'm gonna start with the shampoo. And I'm just gonna I'm probably gonna put maybe half. Oh, that's good enough. Okay, I'll put that back on here. Come. Right here. Come. Come here. I know, it's okay. You're gonna be okay. Yeah, something is wrong with this. I might have to buy a new one. The pressure is not good anymore. Oh, I turned it down, that's why. But no, yeah, the top here, I don't know if you can see it, but the top right here is starting to separate. So this one might just be kind of a cheap one. Probably just not very good. It's not too bad though. I'll let this hot water flush out first because it's kind of really hot. Whew, really hot. And get this hot water to flush out of the system. There we go. Ava, come. Come. She acts like she doesn't like a bath, but when it comes down to it, she's thrilled. She doesn't like the idea of a bath. Come here. You're okay. You're okay. I got you. Alright, we're just going to pin you in here. We're going to get you all nice and wet to start. I'm going to get a lot of fur off of her too with the bath. I just pin her in with my legs because she's a runner. She likes to run, but at the end of the day, she's super happy and grateful for a good bath. She's going to get cooled down. She's going to feel nice and clean. Her skin is going to feel a lot better. So right now, I'm just putting water on her. It's just water. And I'm just going to get her all wet before I put some soap on her. But I want to make sure to get her shampooed and conditioned this time because she is shedding really well right now. Which, yeah, I just want to make sure that she's nice and conditioned because then her fur is going to come out nicely when it comes time to brush her. I'm going to avoid her head for the first portion of it because that's what really makes her shake is when her head gets wet. So I'm going to just get all over her body. And then we'll get her head after, at the end. And get her head last so that she doesn't shake quite as much. Alright, I'm gonna get this soap going. And I'm gonna do just the smallest amount of soap to come out. Because I want it to just last a long time. So now the soap is gonna start coming out. Or at least it should. There we go. And now the soap is gonna come out. Woo! Woo! She didn't like that. That's okay. It's okay. Got me all wet. And just rinse your face a little bit. All right. All right. Go. Now, up. Up. Go. She's gonna take herself a little run. She's gonna run around. Let me just rinse off these. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to rinse off all of her toys too. Whoops. All right, I gotta condition her. Ava, up. I gotta condition her before she gets too comfortable. So I'm just gonna dump this out and rinse it a little bit. Get the rest of that soap out. Ava, where are you going? Please don't get dirty. She's having such a good time over there. She's just running. Alright, I'm going to get that conditioner in here so I can get that all over her. And then rinse that all off good. This is the shampoo conditioner. Yeah, conditioner of the deShedding shampoo. This is the FURminator shampoo, which I think I just got this from Amazon this time. Or no, I got this from PetSmart, but I'm pretty sure you can get it from Amazon. I really like it for some parts of the season when she's shedding, but that's a cup shampoo in it, or conditioner this time. And I'm gonna reattach it. Ava, come. Come. Ava, come.
After getting her nice and conditioned, I went ahead and rinsed her off really well. I made sure to rinse off all the shampoo earlier and the conditioner now, and then I made sure to let her shake off outside, and then we went inside and she got to enjoy a really big old bone that we got from Winco a while ago. I cleaned up the area, I put everything away, and then after that, later on in the night when she was dry, we went ahead and brushed her out and tried to get as much of the fur off of her as possible, and then continue to brush her over the next couple of days to get the rest of her fur off. And she'll still need to be brushed periodically. She's just shedding a lot right now with the change of the seasons, and that's okay. As you can see, she's really excited and happy to be nice and clean. We got this big old bone from the bulk section at Winco. They have a ton of different bones for dogs. So this is the first time we got this one, but we got her a smaller one from that area before. So she was super excited to get to enjoy this big old bone. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We did brush her out, and here's a small clip of that and all of the fur we got off of her. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. I should be posting again on Wednesday, and I hope to see you then. Bye!